All right, everybody, so I'm about to break down the whole chart for you. This is GPB, JPY. So let's look for some trades that's happened all week throughout the market. So clearly right here, I can see we got support, 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 support right here, okay? So now we have this support. Look, you could have easily told by this. This candlestick broke the structure right here, broke through your roof, and now it's your floor. So this would have been one trade right here. Easy. All right, what else? You got, boom, price came right here. Exactly, it came back down right here. It went to broke through, break, retest. Easy. Let's see. All right, let's start off with, can we start off over here? Yeah, that's pretty easy right here. Yep, break, retest, pretty easy. All right, let's say you hit that one, right? Now you're trying to hop in on the buys. All right, right here, break. Day trading is really not hard when you know and understand how to, how do I say this? Day trading is easy when you know how to day trade. Look, where do you exit? Right here, boom. Right here, at your floor, you could do 300. Boom, to the T, price touch, that should take profit. Boom, right here again. Boom, take profit. Real easy, simple. Okay, let's say this was in here, you're trying to hop in on some trades. Boom, you see you got a support right here, right? Boom, just wait for price to touch again. Real quick and easy. All right, so now you know you got a support right here. Now if you're looking for buy, you can see how many times price was playing around at this price right here. Boom, bounce, bounce. Market's bullish. We're only looking for buyers. Come on. Like, you could do this all day throughout the chart, throughout the market. Trades all day long. This one you could have held. This one would have paid 270 pips. All right, let's say you're trying to buy on these buys, right? All right, so now you know you got market structure right here. Boom. All right, you understand and know how to read market structure. Boom. Price breaks through, comes straight all the way back down. Hits your floor. Boom, easy. Ride the wave. All right, now you know you got your resistance up here, right? Remember, we wait for the reaction. Price comes right here, breaks above, comes back down, boom. That's your entry. You want to see on the 5-minute chart what happened? Show you exactly what happened. Price came above, came down, boom, touched your entry and took off for the bias. You could have held that. Boom, okay. Right here, all this did was target everybody's stop loss, everything. But if you were in the buy over here, your stop loss would have never been hit. Boom, continue for the buys. What else? All right, we're on the 5-minute chart. This is gonna be so easy. All right, we got higher high, higher low. Then we got a higher high, put our resistance. These are entries. Okay, you missed that one? Okay, go to the next one. All right, you get your thing, boom, right here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, boom. Where's you gonna enter at? Boom, right there. Collect your money. My point is day trading is so easy and so simple. Anybody with day trade.